Hello everyone, I'm Aarav Seksaria and I am here to introduce you to my new robot, full custom made. It is a seed dispensing robot. For this robot, we have a pre-designed chassis with 4 DC motors, 12 volt DC motors, which actually are not connected via any screws. The chassis is designed to do so, and the whole point of the robot is to dispense seeds with this custom mechanism. So this is what I call the chute. So the chute basically consists of 3 parts: the main stand, the collector, and the dispenser. For the dispenser, I have used a servo motor with this custom design attached to it. So the whole point is basically that on the remote controlled app, which is connected to the robot via Bluetooth, when you press a button, I don't know, so if you press a button, then the servo rotates, causing the seeds to float down and rotate back to stop the flow. So that's kind of the whole point of the robot, and it is fully custom basically. So for example, the main stand, the collector, and the chute, it's fully 3D printed, then spray painted to give us the perfect touch that we need. And for the main brains of the robot, we have a Arduino Nano with a custom PCB printed circuit board to control the whole thing, which is actually controlled via my mobile phone on an app. So and I have a custom printed circuit board with an Arduino and a Bluetooth chip connecting to it, all connecting to this app. Thank you for watching.